Okay, welcome back. This is starting turn 4 for the Germans. Let's roll for some weather. No weather. Okay. Rally phase. Okay, I'm going to try a self rally for this guy. Let's see. Five. So I think he gets it because he has a 9 morale of 9. Yeah, the two 248s are SS. So he had a broken morale of 9. Self rally would be a +4. Rolled a 5, so he got it. And then over here, Bronzen's going to try and do a self rally. Doesn't get it. Okay. All right. And then for the Russians, that guy loses his DM. Let me put these guys on the bottom. And then over here, this guy loses his DM. So I'm going to try Katakov first. No. The other leader? No. Okay. That's going to do it. Okay, so now let's do prep fire. What prep fire do I have? Okay, we're going to do a four up one adjacent. 8 on a 4, I think, is a. Is that a PTC or is that a miss? It's a miss. Okay, so he's prepped. Okay, I'm going to fire the MMG at this guy. And so range of 9. Oh, range of 8. The brush I don't think is in play because he's on the first floor. So I think that's going to be a 4 up 1. Ooh. So 3 on a 2 is a 1 check. These guys have a morale of 10 because they're berserk. Is that right? Yeah. They pass. Keeps rate. He'll fire again. No effect. Okay. Let's see. This guy's going to take a 4-up-1 against the half squad with the heavy. 7 on a 4 is a PTC. He passes. He's prepped. Okay. These guys. These guys are going to take a shot. 8 up 2. Pin task check. They're immune. Okay, I think I want to go to movement now. Okay, starting up here. Okay, the Russians are pretty weak up here, so you've got 2 broken leaders and a broken squad. 628, 458. So I think I want to. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to assault move that guy. So he's concealed. So that would be 6. So, oh boy. So the 4-5. Okay, so the 628 is gonna fire a 6-up-1. 9 on a 6 is a miss. He's gonna subsequent for a 2-up-1. Okay. He's final fired. This guy will do 4-up-1. Actually, 4 even because of the flamethrower, but this guy doesn't know it. 8 on a 4 is a miss. He's going to subsequent. Fuck. Okay. No luck. And residual of 2. He's going to go there for 1. He's going to lose his concealment eventually. I'll just take it off now. It's fine. Okay. There for 1. There for 2. Should he FPF? That would be a 6. So you get the woods +1, non-assault movement -1. So it'd be a 6 flat. I think he's got to do it. FPF 6 flat. Okay. That's what we needed. 4 and a 6 is a 2 MC. Okay, so he breaks. There's 2 residual here. DM's this guy. DM's this guy. Let's see. Okay. Not sure what to do with these guys. I'm thinking about charging and then getting into close combat, but then be a 16 in the face. I don't think that's such a good idea. Okay, so down here, he's going to assault move there for 1. This guy's going to take a shot. It's long range, so it would be a 3 plus the LMG. It'd be a 4. Up 1 for the... Oh, it gets the orchard too. It would get the 2 orchards and the brush. So that would be +1, +2, +3, +4 because of the hedge. That's not worth it. Okay, so he's not going to fire. But this guy will fire. 8 down 1. 6 on an 8. 1 morale check. He breaks. Okay, and did he get rate? Yes, he got rate, kept rate. So he's first fired. Okay. This guy's going to CX. There for 2. Actually, he's going to go there for 2. No, he doesn't need to CX. He's going to go there for 2. This guy's got his machine gun pointed. Where is that little machine gun? Fire direction is down here. So he can't shoot the MG. So there for 2. There for 4. So he could do a... he could fire as inherent for a 4 flat. That's what he'll do, 4 flat. nothing. Okay, and that's going to be 2 residual. This guy's going to go 2, 4 into here for a 2 flat. Oh, sorry, I need to CX him. 2, 4, 6. 2 flat, nothing. Okay. Let's see. Schmidt, it's going to go there for 2. This guy, one, two, no, he's just going to salt move there for 1. This guy down here is going to go there for 1. He's going to CX 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this guy up here is going to do the same thing. CX down there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's going to try and pick up the LMG. He gets it for 6. Okay, so he's done. So that's all the movement. Defensive fire. This guy's going to fire a 12 flat adjacent. Oh my God. 10 out of 12 is a PTC, no rate. He passes. So he's final fired. He loses. What am I doing? This guy lost his concealment when he fired. So let's put him at the top. Okay, so I've got a squad that final fired. Then I've got a broken squad, and then I've got 2 concealed units, which we know are dummies. I'm just going to get rid of them. Everybody knows they're dummies at this point. Okay. Those guys are dummies too. Okay, no other defensive fire. Advancing fire. This guy will take a shot. 2 up 1. He's not going to shoot. He can't shoot. Oh, you know what? This guy should fire on him just to DM him. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be a 3. It's going to be a 4 up 1, 2, 3. 4 up 3. Seven on a 4 is a PTC. Okay, but we got a sniper. Oh my gosh. 1 for 5. So it's going to go down here and snap back here. So he breaks. All right. Okay, so he's finaled. All right, I think that's it for defensive fire. Routes. Germans first. This guy's just going to route downstairs. This guy, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So he can either go here or here. He's going to go this direction, but low crawl. You can get rid of the residual. So this guy is going to go 1, 2. Okay, now over to the Russians. Okay, so these guys here are going to go 1, 2, 3. And then this guy's going to go 1, 2, 3. Can get rid of the prep. Lines of fire. Okay, I think that's it. Now advance phase. This guy will advance in there. He'll go there. He'll go there. Actually, maybe he'll go there. This guy will go there. There. Oh, I forgot. Did I forget advanced fire? I forgot to fire this guy. I'm gonna fire him. Okay, so it's gonna be, he's gonna fire on him for a 12 flat. 10 on a 12. It's a PTC. Okay. All right. He might want to fall back. This is going to be a 20. He's going to be facing a 20 flat. I think he's just going to, no, he's going to stay there. Okay, these guys are going to advance in for close combat. think those guys will stay where they are. Or should they move? Should these guys move? He's going to move one of the 2-4-8s there. Okay, so there's one close combat. Oh, wait, did I roll a 10? Yeah, I think I rolled a 10. So that's gone. All right. So much for that. Okay, one close combat, no ambush. 1 to 2 for the Germans, 3 to 2 for the Ruskies, and then they're so it's going to be, I think it's so CX versus a CX unit is -1. So 1 to 2 -1, and they're 3 to 2 +1. So 1 to 2 is needs a 4 minus 4, and then there's a -1. Nope. And then 3 to 2 +1. Ooh, that's a 6. So he's dead. That didn't work out so well, did it? Another CVP. Okay. Let's go on to Russian 4. Okay, weather. No weather, rallies. Okay. Katakov's going to try and rally. Self-rally. Needs a 4. Oh, wow. Then I think he can attempt to rally the leader. Okay. What happens if you roll? Let me look at the. That's a sniper, but there might be something. Looking at the table that has the. Okay, original 12. Rally suffers casualty reduction? I don't think so. Oh, sorry, that was a 12. Original 2. Heat of battle. Okay. So heat of battle for the leader. That's a 7. +2 for being Russian. +1 for being broken. What did I roll? 9. And then -1, is he elite? Are leaders considered elite? Let me see this to see what it says. Okay. So the situation is a broken leader. Okay. Broken leader. Okay, so what I'm trying to find out is whether the 8-0 leader is considered elite for the heat of battle, because that makes a difference. Okay, experience level. Okay, so it's saying that the leader is elite. And so if that's the case, on a roll of a 7, you have -1 for elite, +1 for broken, +2 for Russian. So that's a +2. Oh, it's still a 9. It's still berserk. Okay, so this guy is berserk. Okay, then I need to roll the sniper. No German sniper. And then the A-1 leader is going to try and rally the squad. He's not back. Oh, and then he's also going to try and rally this guy too. And he gets heat of battle. Wow. Okay, let's roll heat of battle. So 7, same thing, berserk. Okay. That was crazy. Then on the German side, Brucker's going to attempt to rally this guy. So that's going to be, what terrain are we in? Oh shit, he can't stop in this. You know what? He would have gone there. And then Bruckner would have assaulted back. Okay, so all right, so 9 plus 4 plus 3 because it's rallying in rally terrain, so need a 6. He's back. Okay. That guy keeps his DM. This guy loses his DM. Down here, we're going to try and self-rally the leader. Nope. Almost. Close. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do... Man, I'm fucking up all over the place. I forgot to do this close combat over here from last turn. All right. Or did I? I don't think that I did. Oh well, I'm just going to leave it. Okay, prep fire. Okay, Russians. Um, okay, this guy's going to point his gun this way, and he's going to fire a 6-2 against Franzen. They're DM'd. Keeps rate. He's going to fire at this guy for a 6 flat. Cowers to a 6 on a 4. That's a normal. He's fine. Oh, he's prepped. Okay, do I have any other prep fire? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do I have prep fire? I want to fall back. Guy's going to assault move there for 2. He's going to assault move there for 1 or 2. I think brush is 2. This guy will take a shot for a 4 up 1 because of this brush. Actually, yeah, 4 up 1. Okay, so he's first fired. 2 residual. Oh, you know what I'm supposed to move these guys first. Okay, well, they're going to run towards Can they see this guy? Let's see. No. They can probably see that guy. No. Was that the one I was looking at? Yeah, what am I doing? How about him? Yes. So that's, or maybe this guy? Oh yeah. Okay, so that's the closest guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's got to run towards him. 2, 4, 6. Brush is 2, isn't it? Yeah, it's 2. Okay. So it's going to go there for 2. Actually, he's going to go this way. 2. 4. They take a 2 down 1. 3 on a 2 is going to be 1 check. Okay, pass. So they're there for 4. There for 6. He's going to do a 2 down 1. 4 on a 2. So 1 check. Leader. Oh wait, I brought this guy with me. I didn't want to do that. Okay, 1 check. Leader. Fine. Squad, fine. Okay, so they're there for 6. 2, 4, 6. He's first fired. 1 residual. There for 7. This guy could do. He'll do a 4 down 2. Three on a 4 is a 2 check. Leader. Squad. Okay, they're fine. 2 residual. And so that's 7. I think that's as far. Oh, I guess they could go enter into here for 8. So they'll enter there for 8. And he'll do FPF, which is triple point blank. So that's going to be a 6 down 2. 4 on a 6. 2 MC. Leader. He's fine. Squad. He's fine. They're immune to heat of battle. But we get a sniper. No sniper. Okay, they're there for 8. What other movement do we have? It's going to assault move there for 2. Okay. Let's go to defensive fire. Um, one, two. I guess I'll fire on. Guess they'll fire on these guys. Range of 6. 1 hindrance, so it's going to be +3. So it's going to be a 2 up 3. Okay, why not? Okay, they're finaled. These guys have nothing. Close combat. This guy's going to do a 4 up 1. Okay, that's nothing. This guy, I guess, could do a 2 up 2. This guy will do a 2 up 2 against them. +1 for CX, +1 for the wall, for the hedge. Okay. He's done. Okay. Advancing fire. Okay, so let's get rid of the residual. Get rid of the first fire. Okay, so I guess these guys can fire advancing fire. Tripled and halved. So that's going to be a 6 flat. Cowers. 6 on a 4 is a normal. They're fine. We got a sniper. No sniper. Okay. He's advanced fired. This guy will fire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two up 1, firing the LMG. Okay, and then his inherent, 2, 3, 4. That would be a 2. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so he's fired. Okay, route phase. This guy's gonna continue to low crawl. That guy will stay there. Okay. Advance phase. He goes there. I think he's going to stay there. That guy's going to advance back there. Wait, what am I doing? Why does that guy have a final fire on? All right. He's going to advance there. Close combat. Okay, so we'll do this one first. Or we can do the melee first. It doesn't matter. Let's just do this one first. There's no ambush. So it's going to be 1-1 for the Russians. And because they're berserk, is there anything? No, I think it's just 1-1. Nope. And then coming back at 1-2 for the Germans. Nope. That's a melee. Okay, and then continuing the melee up here. It's going to be 9-4 -1. I think I did do the close combat on this. 9-4 -1. And then these guys are going to attack back 1-1 against the 4-6-8. Okay. Actually, well, the Russians go first. So it's going to be the 4-4-7 is going to go against the 4-6-8 by himself. Nope. And then they're going to come back at 2-1 flat. And they get him. Okay. Okay, let's see who gets concealment. This guy, I think, can see him. Let's see. Yep, so this guy doesn't get concealment. This guy can be seen. Can this guy be seen? Yeah, I think, yeah, because we checked the line of sight here, so they're not gaining concealment. Not him. Well, wait. Yeah, not him, because not him. Not him either. He can be seen. Okay, so that's end of Allied 4. And I'd say the Russians are in a commanding position. I don't see how the Germans pull this off. I thought the Germans were going to steamroll, but, going across that open ground, I thought, yeah, it's a lot of open ground, but the Russian units facing that ground were not that strong. But I got up about here. By the time the Germans got here, the Russians had come down here and were able to lay a lot of fire. So, and the fact that my leader and got wounded and this guy's been broken for a couple of turns, that's the challenge. Anyways, thanks for watching.